opening these enchanted seed packs. Really, let's see what we get. That was so close! No! Please, I want the Whisping, please. I beg for it, please. Literally, please, please, and please. I need the Whisping. That's one of the only things I don't have from this update. Oh gosh, please. No, I don't need Sunbulb. Guys, I just saw it. No, we're not getting. We didn't get it, of course. Nope. Okay, yep. We didn't get it. I've got a Whisping. Guys. Okay, yeah. I'm probably not supposed to shout because I have neighbors. I'm not supposed to shout, but oh my. I've got a Whisping. Guys, I'm literally so happy. Oh my god, guys, that is so OP. And by the way, the only thing I still need to get is actually just the, let me check what that is. The cockatrice. That is the only thing I need to get. And I literally want to get it from the eggs. I have enough eggs to get it, but I just hope I get it. Yay! I got the Whisping.